Daobh Costello is an dom agus tá ag obair san ionad seo. Galway Technology Centre started using the Irish language to help enhance our brand and make us culturally unique in the space that we're working in. So we feel that being based in Galway and being part of the ecosystem and the startup ecosystem in Galway, that it was natural for us as we were rebranding the centre to incorporate the Irish language into all aspects of our brand, and it gave us, a unique identity based on our location and based on the number of the companies that are based here in the centre. The benefits are not only for Galway Technology Centre, and we see great benefit in that. We've positioned ourselves as a unique offering, not only within Galway but also within Ireland, and we see the benefits not only for us but also for the businesses that are based here. We have over 40 businesses based here, and as we started to introduce the Irish language, it's also encouraging businesses that are based here, and particularly those that do have Irish and are interested in Irish, to actually use the language. One of the things that we've introduced for the businesses based in the centre is our Circle Gaeilge. So once a month, all businesses are invited along to an informal networking session in our staff canteen, where they're given the opportunity to use the language in an informal setting. So this allows the businesses obviously to practice and to learn, and it also adds to the organic growth of the companies that are based here by, it's another thing that companies can meet to discuss, and it allows them then to possibly refer business to one another and to transfer knowledge to each other. So that's been quite successful, and we want to continue to build on that. Our future plans are to continue to build on what we have been doing so far. So as we have been rebranding over the last 18 months, we have started to incorporate the Irish language into all aspects of that. As we've launched our new website recently, we've incorporated Irish into the website. We've done some newspaper publications, we've incorporated Irish into that. On our social media, we're becoming more and more active in incorporating Irish into our posts. We want to build on our monthly meetings with our tenants and get people more and more confident using the language. And then as we reprint our marketing materials, which we use both locally and nationally, we will also be planning to incorporate Irish into that. So it's really a process for us, and we're very much at the start, and we just want to continue to build on that.